I have looked at so many other products. I'm currently using a product that I hate. And just in this emerging world of AI, I loved your pitch, and it makes sense, especially because you are an ex-provider, so you have that extra insight and knowledge. I really appreciated that. And the fact is that it is a one-stop shop. And I consider you guys like not just giving me something, I actually consider you a partner, because I think that this is unlimited where it can go and how it can actually support not only the provider, but really reining in those dodgy buggers out there that are doing the wrong thing. And this compliance, it makes you actually stand up and go, I need to do the right thing.
Appreciate that, Michelle. Thanks so much. And that's one of the main reasons why we built SPECERE Shift. We built this specifically to help other providers, or all providers really, with compliance, admin and all that, because we're just so overwhelmed, especially, as a nurse, you're overwhelmed with all the clinical stuff, the decision-making stuff in your day-to-days, and then not having, a software that you can use that is specific to what you need. Totally get it. Appreciate that. So there are some small niggly bits that we do need to fix for you, and we work quite quickly, as you know. But what's changed for you since you've started using SPECERE Shift?
Just the knowledge that I'm going to be able to, and I say this politely, reduce my overhead costs in staffing in the office, because I am a one-woman show and I do run a decent company, but the overhead costs that I'm accumulating will eventually be absorbed, and I'll be able to happily know I can step away from the business for a hot minute and take a break, knowing that everything is kind of self-generating and self-running. I love the set out. I love the design, and I know it seems ridiculous, but it's like the colors I think are really funky. I love using it. I love that there's a community access in there, so like all the guys can jump on and talk to each other. The rostering is quite good. I'm using multiple different apps at the moment, not with you, but like transitioning over to you. So it's just less clunky. And I like that it throws alerts at me. So if I'm becoming a bit complacent, it goes, actually, hello, and it throws an alert. So as a business owner, knowing that there's an alert there and going, ooh, like I need to address it, I think I don't know, it's like a second set of eyes. Like you can't catch everything, and it seems to catch those things, which is nice.
Appreciate that so much. What would you say, I guess, to another provider like yourself, small or large, what would you say to them if they were on the fence about trying us and SPECERE Shift?
I have gone back and forth for so long, and I think I spent most of last year, and I think if I can say one thing, if nothing changes, nothing changes. If you don't put your foot in the water, you're not going to know. So, you guys have been like, even just the access to you has been really easy, and I've done uni degrees online, and you can't talk to anyone for like 24 days, and you're like trying to get something done. Whereas like I know I can flick you a message, and you're on it, and you're like, and you're very relatable. You're not like, someone I go, oh God, I've got to talk to this person. I go, oh sweet, I'm gonna chat today, or I'm gonna, chuck a ticket into the other guys and get it sorted. I think that what you guys have hit is a gold mine. I think that it's unlimited, and I like the fact that you guys do ask us as providers in the field. You go, hey, what would benefit you? You don't just go, nah, this is my package, like it or lump it. You definitely go, hey, yeah, let's explore that. Like I know that we talked about an AI nurse for pathway nursing, and as much as you want to be selfish and hang on to it, but you know that it'll actually benefit other providers, but also mostly the participants. Like, so you're not going to have, I think that's the main one, is the participants, the main goal and main priority.